I don't know what to tell you because there's very few occasions when I'm short of words. Like I said earlier, I cannot imagine inclusion and well-being without you. More importantly, I cannot imagine Trailblazer without you because you like being the backbone of all of these programs. But we understand your situation, so you have all of our prayers, and this is not a goodbye. This is, like till we meet again, because I'm sure you will come back. God bless you.
दलजीत मैम, आपके बारे में तो क्या ही बोलें। आपका नाम ही जैसे बोलते हैं ना, आप सबका दिल जीत लेती हैं। और द वन थिंग विच आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम यू एंड एक्चुअली आई प्रैक्टिस every day when I meet the students, whether it's new admission or our student council or in general during student assembly, every child succeeds because every child counts. और मैं एक चीज़ के लिए और धन्यवाद बोलूँगी कि जो आपने मुझे रास्ता दिखाया ना कैंटीन का, for almost 1.5 years I don't think so I have ever visited or had a trip to canteen. तो ये मेरा बहुत अच्छी एक जर्नी मुझे लगती है कैंटीन जाना। और कॉफ़ी पे जो चर्चा आप सिर्फ काम की करती हैं, समटाइम्स इट यूज़ टू गेट बोरिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज फॉर यू वर्क वर्क एंड वर्क। आई थिंक यू शुड ऑल्सो बी थैंकफुल टू मी दैट मैंने आपको चाय की सिप और जो चुस्की जो है चाय की या कॉफ़ी की थोड़ी इन्जॉयमेंट के साथ लेना सिखाया है। ये जर्नी यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं होगी बिकॉज आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वेलकम यू बैक फॉर योर सेकेंड इनिंग्स वेरी वेरी सून।
Hello Daljit ma'am. This is not a goodbye message, as I truly believe you will return soon. Your commitment to inclusion and well-being has shaped a space where everyone felt seen and valued. Though you may be moving on, your kindness and vision will continue to inspire us every day. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਥ ਸਦਾ ਯਾਦ ਰਹੇਗਾ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਕੇ ਕੋਲ ਰਹੋਗੇ। Thank you.
It is very unfortunate you have to leave us soon, but we're just hoping to see you back very soon. I remember that day in 2019 when the grade 10 achievers were being felicitated and one student took your name in the gathering and appreciated you for being a chemistry teacher.
Dear Daljit ma'am, it's very heart-touching to say goodbye to you at this point of time. We're going to miss all the warmth in the guidance and the discussions that we had, but wishing you good luck and lots of health and happiness, and we pray that you join us back soon. Love you Daljit ma'am. Thank you.
Daljit ma'am, thank you for being with us. It was really a pleasure working with you. We are glad that we have learned a lot from you. We're going to miss you a lot. The only thing that I have to say for you is, Daljit ma'am, tusi na jao.
It is so difficult to say goodbye to such an amazing person like you, Daljit ma'am. But the good news is we are quite hopeful that you will come back and join us soon.
Hey Daljit, you have been such a wonderful colleague. Your kindness, wisdom and constant support have left a lasting impact on all of us.
Dear Daljit ma'am, it's so hard to say goodbye to you, and I don't want to say one because I strongly believe that you will definitely come back.
Best wishes for your future endeavors. May God help you in your personal and professional life. Stay blessed.
Daljit, you have been the reason behind my confidence when I moved to ISDSO. Working with you has always been a pleasure, so easy, so smooth, whether it was in office over a cup of coffee or a post-midnight meetings. You have been my something personal in a professional space.
A safe place to be myself, and you've created this safe space for lot many others. I'm falling short of words to say anything for you. बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी, अभी इजाज़त दी है आपको जाने की, अलविदा नहीं है. We are waiting for you, so go and come back soon.
Hi Daljit ma'am, I want to say thank you for your mentorship and your guidance, which has added value to my professional life. In addition to being a great colleague, you have also been a great friend at work.
We will miss you, Daljit ma'am. Looking forward to the day our paths cross again, ma'am.
Thank you for your support and guidance ma'am. We will miss you ma'am.
We really thank you for all the support and guidance you have provided us all the while. It's been a privilege to work with you, and we have learned so much under your leadership.
We truly appreciate the opportunities that you have given us, as well as the trust and encouragement you have shown.
Our best wishes. Thank you so much, Daljit ma'am.
आपके साथ हमेशा एक घर वाला और माँ वाला फीलिंग आता था काम करते समय, तो आपको बहुत मिस करने वाले हैं हम. I wish you all the best.
Your dedication and journey have been really inspiring. Definitely our team will be missing you.
A true leader's presence never fades, and we know that someday we will welcome you back with open arms, because the circle of happiness is incomplete without you, Daljit ma'am.
Please take care of yourself and your family, and be happy always. We will definitely miss you.
Your inspiring words and bright smile will always motivate us to achieve heights.
Daljit ma'am, your support and guidance helped us to grow a lot. We truly hope that you will be joining us back soon. Love you ma'am.
All the best for your future endeavors, ma'am.
Thank you for your support and guidance.
Dear Daljit ma'am, we all love you for your positivity,
For inspiration,
for your guidance,
for your contagious smile,
for your encouragement,
For your kindness.
For your support, and most importantly, for being part of our journey.
you're always a role model for all of us and an invaluable asset for our school. We'll miss you, ma'am.
Your leadership has not just driven success but also created a warm and motivating environment where everyone felt valued and empowered. We really miss you, ma'am.
I'm so sad that you have to go, but I'm happy and thankful that I had the chance to work with you.
Dear Daljit ma'am, your guidance and support have been truly inspiring.
Ma'am, we are grateful for your support and wisdom.
We wish to see you back soon, ma'am. Till then, wishing you more strength.
Ma'am, you will be deeply missed.
Hi Daljit ma'am, I'm really going to miss you because I was missing you when you were not here. Because your smile, your willingness to do something at any time, that I really